Set up your call to action button, a step-by-step guide on setting up your page's CTA. Unlock the potential of trackable referral links to engage with your customers effectively. Customize multiple links based on your preferences using the following step-by-step guide. To set up your Facebook CTA link leading to your in-app store, follow these straightforward steps. Navigate to your ChatGenie dashboard and click the Referral button. On the top right corner, select Add. Specify your desired referral link name. Enter the referral link, which can be a code or a word appearing at the end of your link. Choose a sales channel and click Add. Once you've generated your referral link, simply copy it. Now that you've created a referral link leading to your in-app store, the next step is to set your CTA button on your Facebook page. To set up your Facebook CTA link and button, proceed. On your Facebook page, locate and click the blue Edit button, or select Add a button if you have not configured it yet. Select an action button. Paste the link copied from your ChatGenie referral link, adding HTTPS web address at the beginning of the link. Then click Save. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your CTA button. As a result, when your customers click the button, they will be seamlessly redirected to your in-app store. Additionally, you now have the capability to track the number of clicks and orders generated by your referral link. This valuable data will empower you to gauge the effectiveness of your strategy and optimize your approach for enhanced engagement and conversions.